When it comes to appointment scheduling, Calendyze offers a solid mix of features that aim to help businesses streamline their operations. But before you make a decision, there are 7 key things you need to know about this software, especially if you've already looked into alternatives like Calendly or Acuity. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Calendyze is the right choice for you, and I'll even show you how to test it completely free from the first link below. Let's dive in. First off, one thing that stands out with Calendyze is its user-friendly interface. If you've used competitors like Calendly, you know that the simplicity of the dashboard is important. Calendyze doesn't overcomplicate things. You can get started quickly, and the overall design is intuitive enough for teams of any size. It's not as flashy as some of the competitors, but it's highly functional and can be set up in no time. Next thing, it's pricing. If you're comparing it to bigger names like Acuity or Schedule Once, you'll notice that Calendyze's pricing structure is a bit more flexible. It offers different tiers that can scale with your needs, whether you're an individual freelancer or part of a large team. And if you're on a budget, they offer a free version, which is great for those just getting started or with minimal scheduling needs. But unlike the free plans of other services, Calendyze still allows a decent number of features, even in its no-cost option. The third thing, integrations. While Calendyze is not as extensive in integrations as other players like Acuity or Doodle, it does provide solid support for tools that most businesses rely on, like Google Calendar, Zoom, and Stripe. For a lot of businesses, that's all they really need. But if you're looking for deeper integrations, you might find some limitations here. Next thing, automation. One of the big benefits of Calendyze is the built-in automation features. You can automate reminders, confirmations, and even follow-ups. What's impressive is that these automation tools are simple to set up but powerful enough to save you a lot of time. If you've been relying on manual reminders or emails, this feature alone could free up hours of your week. The fifth thing you should know is about customizability. Unlike Calendly, which can sometimes feel a bit restrictive, Calendyze gives you more control over your scheduling pages. You can customize your booking page, add your branding, and tailor it to your business needs. This level of customization is ideal for those who want a personalized touch without relying on a developer. The sixth thing is customer support. Calendyze shines in this department, offering prompt and helpful responses. While it doesn't have as extensive a support network as something like Acuity, its team is responsive and willing to work with you directly to resolve issues. Plus, the knowledge base is easy to navigate if you're trying to solve an issue on your own. And finally, the mobile experience. Calendyze's mobile app is clean, easy to use, and reliable, especially when you need to manage appointments while on the go. It's not as robust as the desktop version, but for those who rely on smartphones to manage their schedules, it does the job without feeling cluttered. So, after all this, should you go for Calendyze? If you value simplicity, flexibility, and solid support without breaking the bank, it could be a great fit for you. The pricing is competitive, the features are strong, and it's especially a good choice for smaller teams or individuals. If you want to give Calendyze a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits. Give it a spin and see if it's the right scheduling solution for your business.